Now you know that a fraction is a part or parts of a whole object. But what about equivalent fractions? For this lesson, I will only use the sausage. Previously, one of the sausage was divided in 2 equal parts, and another one in 4 equal parts. If we mark the middle, there you go, we can see that on that side we have 1/2 of a sausage, and on the other side you have 2 pieces, 2/4 of a sausage. This is what we're talking about when we're saying that we have equivalent fractions. If I eat 1/2 of a sausage, or I eat 2 pieces of a quarter, I am eating exactly the same amount of sausage. But what happens if I have a sausage cut in 2 parts and another one cut in 3 parts? So on that side I have 1/2, and on this other side I have 1/3. If we compare, 1/2 is way bigger than 1/3, so they're not equivalent. And if I take 2/3 together, it is bigger than 1/2. So again, I don't have equivalent fraction. We have to do something about it. So what we can do is, if I want to make the equivalent of 1/2 with the sausage on the right, which is cut in 3 pieces, is that I will cut even more that sausage. Okay, so if I do cut it in 2 pieces each, like that, what I will have, I get 6 pieces, which we call 1/6 of the original sausage. Remember, it's always, the fraction we use is always related to the whole object that we had at first, so the whole sausage. Okay, now it is possible to do an equivalent fraction, because it's possible to recreate exactly, well, they might not look a lot the same, but now we do have equivalent. We have 1/2, and here those pieces, I have 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3, and they represent 1/2 of a sausage as well. So once again, 1/2 is equivalent to 3 out of 6 pieces. I can do the same with the 1/3. If I want to create the equivalent with the left side sausage, then I will need to cut those pieces in 3, right? On each side create 3 more pieces. So 1, 2, 3 for that 1/2. 1, 2, 3 for this other half. And now, because here we are talking about 1/3, I need to create 3 groups. So 1, 2, 3. And my equivalent now for 1/3 is to get 2 pieces of the 6 pieces. Equivalent fraction. I will try to explain the pattern. On the left side, the sausage is cut in half. On the right side, the sausage is cut in third. And we saw that it was impossible to create equivalent fraction using halves and third together. But how do we change those sausage, or how do we know how many pieces we need to create? Well, the left, as I said, the left was cut in half. So what we will do is cut every pieces on the other sausage in half as well. So we cut in half, cut in half, cut in half, and what we get is 6 pieces of equal size, right? The sausage on the right was initially cut in thirds. So what we will do is cut in third both parts that we have. And this one as well. And what we get again is 6 parts. And now we can do equivalent fraction. So 1/2 on this side is the same as 3/6. And 1/3 now is equivalent of 2/6, right? And so on. We can make all kind of equivalent fraction using that. Okay, see you later.